This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign into iLovePDF. First, open your web browser and navigate to the iLovePDF website. Once the page loads, look for the Login button, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this button will open the sign-in options, providing you with several ways to securely access your account. This simple action begins your journey to unlocking all the personalized features. If you have an existing iLovePDF account with an email and password, this is a straightforward method. Simply enter your registered email address into the first blank field. Then, type your secret password into the second field, taking care to avoid any typos. After accurately entering both pieces of information, click the prominent Login button. This should grant you immediate access to all your saved work and account settings, typically within 2 to 3 seconds. Many users find signing in with their Google or Facebook accounts incredibly convenient. Simply click the button labeled Sign in with Google or Sign in with Facebook, depending on your preference. A small, secure pop-up window will then appear, asking for your permission to connect your account. After you grant this authorization, which usually takes only 1 or 2 clicks, you will be automatically logged into iLovePDF. This method saves you the effort of remembering another set of credentials. Occasionally, you might encounter difficulties signing in. Do not worry, this is quite common. Always double-check your email and password for any small typos first. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link, and instructions will be sent to your registered email address. For persistent issues, try clearing your web browser's cache and cookies, or switch to an alternate browser like Firefox or Chrome. A stable internet connection also ensures a smooth login experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.